Finerman, and this is your Fast Money Trade School. Feel like you're getting lost at sea in the stock market? One tip to find your way: follow the whales, Wall Street's most powerful investors. These heavy hitters have to disclose their biggest holdings. Just check out a 13F form filed quarterly to see what Buffett or Icahn have been buying. But before you dive in head first, remember, even whales can get beat. Class dismissed.
I'm up. Well, what's up? I'm up. Well, what's up? I'm up. Well, what's up? Are you? Does this market have you down? Well, then let's do some Wall Street whale watching. Hello, I'm Brian Mckeon, partner at the JMB FLP. Today we'll be talking about number 90, my list of the 100 top traders. Today we'll be looking at Avenue Capital, Marc Lasry. Now, using this strategy, it's done so well, it's put me in the top 3% in the most recent CNBC tournament, with returns of over 53%. You can also see how it's done for me in previous tournaments. Now, what we merely do is follow the holdings of the richest, most successful investors out there, and we find their holdings through these free websites. Then, get an average analyst ranking through these free sites. Now, again, I'd like to remind you that all analyst recommendations are as of July 24th, 2009. Now, looking at Avenue Capital by Marc Lasry. You can see he has CBS, NRG, and LH all come into the buy camp with ratings in the moderate buy range. And you can also see all of his holdings that come into the hold camp and all of his holdings that come into the sell camp at this time. So with that, let's go to the chart. Now we have CBS Caremark as the first stock of the day. Now you can see it's been in a good general uptrend, and is also trading above all of its moving averages. Now it has a good solid breakout here, and it's above its previous highs, so there's some good things there. But stochastics is getting a bit close to the overbought range, so you might want to look at some possible pullback in this one. As for NRG Energy, same thing, has a nice good general uptrend, and is now sitting above all of its moving averages. Stochastics still hasn't hit the overbought level, so there's still some potential upside for this one. As for Laboratory Corp, now this one's been up too, like the general market, and is currently above all of its averages. So there's some good solid support there. Stochastics hasn't quite hit overbought, so we see some more potential upside for this one as well. So again, I'd like to remind you that the moderate buys are CVS, NRG, and LH, all coming in with ratings of moderate buy. And again, I'd like to remind you that all analyst recommendations are as of July 24th, 2009. And if you'd like more up-to-date look at the holdings of Avenue Capital, run by Marc, you can punch them into StockPicker and get an average analyst ranking through these free websites. Again, onto my disclaimer. Disclaimer, I am not a licensed investment advisor, and the investments I am showing you today are what I'm doing for my friends and family's accounts. And I am not affiliated with any of the websites used to determine these rankings. And I currently own none of the stocks discussed today. So again, this is Brian Mckeon from the JMB FLP saying thank you and see you next time for I'm a Whale Watcher. Hello, I'm Brian Mckeon, creator of The Predatory Lender. Now, if the previous video was a little too boring for you, try The Predatory Lender and the rest of the predatory lending team as they go on their intergalactic adventures trying to hunt down the next great investment opportunity for you.